What's going on, everybody? Got another video here for you. This video is going to be finding the dot product of two vectors using Excel. Okay, so we're going to do a vector that has a x, y, z, a vector in 3-dimension. You can do the same thing for 2-dimension, but let's see how we can find the dot product using Excel. There's actually a formula. So we'll call this vector A. And let's go ahead and let's center these cells. All right, so vector A, let's just do -1, 7, 4. That'll be vector A. And then let's call this vector B. We'll do 6, 2, -0.5. All right, so here's our vector. So what we want to do to find the dot product, so we'll say this is the dot product, and this is where we'll put our formula. So we'll just say equals. All right, so the function that we're going to use is called sum product. So it's the sum product formula. So we pick array 1. So that's this one. That would be the first vector. And then you want to put a comma, and then we pick the second vector, and we can close the parentheses and hit enter. And there's your dot product. And what makes this nice doing it in Excel, if you have a bunch of problems that you're working for homework or something and you need to check them, all you got to do is come up here. Don't do anything with the formula. Just come up here and change that to maybe a -5. And when you hit enter, you can see it automatically changes the answer for you. And I guess while we're at it, let's just do let's just say 1, 2, and let's say vector B is, this is for a vector in 2-dimension, -5, 7. Well, -5, 7. And then you would just do the same thing. So the dot product of this would equal sum product, and you can see it's right here. So we can just click that and pick array 1, comma, and then pick array 2. Close parentheses, equals. Okay, so there's your dot product. So basically what the sum product formula does is it just does this times this plus this times this plus this times this. It multiplies the first elements plus multiplies the second elements plus multiplies the third. And that's how you can find the dot product using Excel. All right, so I hope this video helped. Check out my other videos. Give me a like, share, subscribe, comment, and I will see y'all in the next one. Later.